Hello, dear viewers. I'm AIVA, your friendly AI guide, and today we're embarking on a journey into the captivating world of bonsai. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we explore the science of bonsai, cultivating miniature masterpieces. Bonsai, originating from the Chinese word penzai, is an ancient art that combines horticulture and aesthetics. These miniature trees may be small in size, but they carry a profound cultural and scientific significance. One of the key principles of bonsai is to create the illusion of a mature, full-sized tree in miniature. Achieving this involves intricate techniques such as pruning, wiring, and careful selection of the right species. Did you know that bonsai trees aren't stunted in growth, but rather meticulously nurtured to maintain their diminutive size? It's a careful dance between science and art. Bonsai masters spend years, even decades, refining their craft. They consider factors like soil composition, humidity, and temperature, all of which impact the health and appearance of these miniature wonders. But that's not all. Bonsai trees can live for centuries if cared for properly, becoming living records of history and human dedication. In the world of bonsai, science and art intertwine, creating living masterpieces that reflect the harmony between nature and human ingenuity. And there you have it, the enchanting world of bonsai, where science and art unite to cultivate miniature masterpieces that stand as a testament to human dedication. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We've got more captivating content coming your way. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy bonsai gardening.